Ala ka.
Tapo. Mercy Kitin po. Kayo po na. May delivery po. Hindi kasi makaparada yung ano eh. Yung sasakyan. Alanganin yung parada. Sikip po kasi sa diyan lang po. Wala mong po sinabi. Wala pong sinabi. Dito sana na may papak. Kaya alanganin yung papak yung mga dumataan.
Ayun na lang po mag-open. Ay. Yung ano po ulit. Yung para sa inyo po. Para sa inyo. Yung nagpadala din po last year. Dapat po tayo dito. Meron pong message para sa inyo. Ito po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Miss na kita.
Hey, happy birthday. First of all, I would like to greet you. A very nice day, a happy birthday. And messages or this kind of video are not enough. I just wish to God that you will be long life, both of you. And I wish I could be there. But don't worry, konting tembok na lang. Makikita na rin kita, mayayakap na rin kita. Oh my God. Just always remember that I'm always here for you, for both of you. And you know how much I miss you so much. I miss you so bad. And I hope I made you happy on this day. Even with a simple surprise that even though I'm far away, you're still here, especially in my heart, my mind. Okay, I'm gonna cry. Okay, so just until here, or else I might cry. I love you so much. Take care always. Enjoy your day. I hope I'm at your day. This day. Love you
Happy
so
birthday,
much.
Maring!
Happy birthday again.
Thank you, anak. Ayan. May message na lang po kayo para kay ma'am.
Tin, miss na kita. Salamat sa mga pagbati nyo, tsaka sa mga paalala nyo sa akin. Sana makapiling na kita. Miss na kita sobra. I love you, anak. Mahal na mahal ko kayo.